Hey, hello and welcome to a new video tutorial. What we have here now is a Samsung Galaxy A30s. It's a similar build to A50, so basically you can use this tutorial for both phones, for A30s and for the A50. So where's the problem? The problem is it's locked. So you have forgotten your password, your PIN code, or your pattern to draw here with the lines. If this is the problem, then probably you will need this video. So there is a basic workaround here which you can follow, and then you can erase the phone and unlock it. Keep in mind, if you had your Google account previously in this phone, you will need to know your Gmail and your password for this Gmail. If you don't know it, you will need to search for Google FRP Unlock in YouTube, of course. So let's see what we can do. On this phone there is Android 9 on it. So if you have Android 9, 10 or a lower Android, you don't need to plug in a cable. If you have Android 11 or 12, then you will need to plug in an USB cable here and connect the other line to the computer, to the PC. You can also use USB-C headphones or earphones. So let's proceed. If you want to basically turn off the phone, then you will need to click this power button and hold it. But when you click on power off, it won't power off because you need to know the password. So what we are going to do, we are going to click all three buttons here and hold these buttons until the phone reboots, and then you will release the power button and the volume down button. So we click all three buttons until the phone reboots, then we release the power button and volume down button, but we keep holding the power up button. See? So first all three buttons together and hold the buttons until the phone reboots. Once the phone reboots, you release this button and volume down button, but keep holding the volume up button. Keep holding it. Still keep holding it. Still keep holding it. If it won't work for the first time, don't worry. We will try one more time. Sometimes it doesn't work for the first time. I see in this case it won't work. Yes, it restarted. Let's try again with a USB-C cable. Plug in the cable and the other end plug in into a computer. And again, hold all three buttons. Hold all three buttons together. Once the phone restarts, keep holding just the volume up. Okay, in rare cases you will see this icon. If you see this icon, it just means that the phone has been restarted and it's charging now. So it's basically switch it off. If you see this, then again click just the volume up button and power button and keep holding these two buttons until the phone starts. Once you see the Samsung logo, you keep holding volume up button but release the power button. So just keep holding the volume up button. You see, now we came into the recovery. So the most important thing is always volume up and the power button. And once the phone restarts, release the power button and volume down button and keep holding the power up button. So now we can disconnect the phone. And once we are in the recovery menu, we go down and click on Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. And then again, this cannot be undone. We click on yes Just to let you know, all data, pictures, photos, contacts will be erased. You won't get any data. So the phone will be factory reset. And then we confirm again with the power button. We wait until this is done. That's it, completed. Now we click on Reboot System Now and confirm with the power button. And we wait until the phone loads in the system, and then you can proceed with all the steps like it's a new phone. That's it. Just basically now proceed with all the steps like it's a new phone. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.